What are you waiting for? Welcome to my channel Glauzinia PLZ. Subscribe. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today we're diving into a topic that many of us are curious about: how to improve your skin texture naturally. Whether you're dealing with rough patches, dryness, or uneven skin tone, I've got some amazing tips and tricks that can help you achieve that smooth, glowing skin we all desire. So let's get started. Segment 1. Understanding skin texture. First, let's talk about what skin texture actually is. Skin texture refers to the surface quality of your skin. It can be influenced by factors like dead skin cells, oil production, and environmental damage. Common issues include roughness, dryness, and uneven tone. Understanding your skin type is the first step to improving its texture naturally. Identifying your skin type will help you choose the right products and routines that cater specifically to your needs. Segment 2. Hydration is key. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to improve your skin texture is by staying hydrated. Drinking enough water helps to keep your skin plump and radiant. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. You can also include hydrating foods like cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon in your diet. These not only hydrate you but also provide essential vitamins and minerals. Here's a quick and delicious hydrating smoothie recipe. Just blend together half a cucumber, a handful of spinach, 1 orange, and a cup of coconut water. This smoothie is not only refreshing but also packed with nutrients that your skin will love. Segment 3. Nourishing your skin from the inside out. Next up is nutrition. What you eat plays a huge role in your skin's health. Incorporate foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, nuts, and leafy greens. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts can also help maintain skin elasticity and hydration. Let's whip up a quick antioxidant-rich salad. Combine spinach, blueberries, walnuts, and a drizzle of olive oil. This salad is not only tasty, but also a powerhouse for your skin. Segment 4. Regular exfoliation. Exfoliation is crucial for improving skin texture. It helps remove dead skin cells and promotes cell turnover. You can use natural exfoliants like sugar, coffee grounds, or oatmeal. Here's a simple DIY scrub you can make at home. Just mix sugar with a bit of coconut oil and a few drops of essential oil. Gently massage it onto your skin in circular motions, then rinse off. Do this 1 to 2 times a week for best results. Remember, don't over-exfoliate, as this can irritate your skin. Segment 5. Moisturizing and hydrating. After exfoliating, it's essential to moisturize. Look for natural moisturizers like aloe vera, shea butter, or hoa oil. These ingredients are great for locking in moisture and keeping your skin soft. Apply your moisturizer while your skin is still damp to maximize hydration. Make sure to apply it in upward motions to promote circulation and lift your skin. This simple technique can make a big difference. Segment 6. Face masks for extra nourishment. Let's talk about face masks. They can be a fun and effective way to boost your skin's texture. Here's a simple DIY mask using honey and yogurt, which are both incredibly nourishing. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Apply this mask for about 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. You'll notice your skin feels softer and looks more radiant. You can do this once a week for optimal results. Segment 7. Sun protection. Don't forget about sun protection. UV rays can damage your skin and worsen texture issues. Always apply a natural sunscreen with at least SPF 30, even on cloudy days. This is a crucial step in maintaining healthy skin. Remember to reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're spending time outdoors. Protecting your skin from sun damage is essential for keeping it smooth and youthful. Segment 8. Lifestyle factors. Creating a calming bedtime routine can help you wind down. Try reading a book, practicing meditation, or taking a warm bath before bed. Now, let's discuss some lifestyle factors. Getting enough sleep is vital for skin repair. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Lack of sleep can lead to dull skin and increased signs of aging. Managing stress is equally important. High stress levels can lead to breakouts and uneven texture. Incorporate activities like yoga, meditation, or even a simple walk in nature to help keep your stress levels in check. Segment 9. Consistency is key. Remember, improving your skin texture naturally takes time and consistency. Stick to your routine, and don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Your skin is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Consider keeping a skincare journal to track your progress and note what works best for you. This can help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Segment 10. Additional tips and tricks. Here are a few additional tips to enhance your skin texture. 1. Facial massage. Incorporate facial massage into your routine to improve circulation and promote lymphatic drainage. You can use your fingers or a jade roller for this. 2. Humidifier. If you live in a dry climate, using a humidifier can help maintain moisture levels in your skin, especially during winter months. 3. Avoid hot showers. Hot water can strip your skin of its natural oils. Opt for lukewarm water when washing your face or taking a shower. 4. Limit alcohol and smoking. Both can negatively impact your skin's health and texture. Reducing or eliminating these can lead to noticeable improvements. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you try any of these methods, let me know in the comments below how they worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more natural beauty tips. Until next time, take care of your skin and yourself.